Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be demonstrating how I meditate and what my meditation process looks like. First, I begin with making my bed for the day. This always allows me to have a clear space to meditate in and clutter free. I do not like to meditate in clutter. I just feel kind of all over the place. So as you can see here, I make my bed and folding up my blankets that I keep on my bed. Now I've opened my blinds to allow some natural light in. I like for there to be natural light when I'm meditating if possible. Therefore, I've opened the blinds, allowing the light to shine upon myself while I am meditating. Before I begin meditating, I want to clear the space. So here I am lighting my sage stick. I believe that this sage is the passion sage. I received this as a gift from my friend who owns Steadfast Flowers. They have a ton of different sage sticks. If you're interested in purchasing one, I'll be sure to link it in this video description. Now, as you can see, I'm going around my room and clearing the space. I will clear my mind with the sage and my body as well, and my heart, just so I can be open to the meditation. This is something that you don't have to do, but you can do if you would like, just to clear your space. You can also use a wood smudge stick, a Palo Santo smudge stick, to clear your space as well. Now I am about to begin my prayer. As I mentioned before, I will be journaling my prayer. So everything that I would be praying aloud, I'm going to write it down in my journal and share my thoughts and feelings and concerns with the Lord. Meditate. I meditate anywhere from 5 to 30 minutes. It just depends. It just depends on how I'm feeling. I keep in mind this is my morning routine, what I do before I start my day. So I pray first, as you can see. I just journal my prayer. I try to journal my prayers every day. If not, then I'll just pray to myself or out loud. And then I meditate. So before I meditate, I stretch a little bit, just because I know that I'm going to be sitting for a little while. And you just want your area, wherever you're meditating at, to be very comfortable and calm for you. So my room is my safe space. So I usually turn on some music. So I have some music playing right now. And I am going to do it in the comfort of my bed. I might sit on a pillow. I might not. It just depends on how I'm feeling. So I will meditate. Once I'm done meditating, I'll say a few affirmations to myself for the positive reinforcement. And then I'll be done. So I usually sit in crisscross applesauce, as the kids say now, or pretzel style, I'm not sure. And I try to keep my palms open. Allow them to be open. to the meditation and to let go of anything that I've been holding on to. So that's why I keep my hands open. Okay, I'm gonna start. And I'm gonna start by taking a few deep breaths and exhaling. The more I do that, the more centered I begin to feel. You want to be very conscious of your breath and just how it feels coming in and going out. And you just want to, get comfortable. So let's stretch. My shoulders are usually my area of stress. All right, let's do this. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Release all tension and fear from my body and mind. I release all fear and tension from my body and mind. I release all fear and tension from my body and mind. To give unconditional love. I am open to receive unconditional love. I am open to give unconditional love. ease. I am at ease. I am at ease. I have a peace of mind because I'm connected to a higher source. I have peace of mind because I know I'm connected to a higher source. I have peace of mind because I am connected to a higher source. I intend to take on the day with joy and optimism. I intend to take on today with joy and optimism. I intend to take on the day with joy and optimism. I am love, and I am surrounded by love. I am love, and I am surrounded by love. I am love, and I am surrounded by love. Alright, so that is it for my meditation, how I began my day with meditation and prayer. I feel great. I'm ready to take on today with joy and optimism. I added my affirmations into my meditation today, something a little different than what I normally do. Sometimes I'll say like 1 or 2 affirmations when I meditate. This time I said quite a few to help me feel good, know that I am good, know that I'm surrounded by good, I'm protected by a higher power. My higher power is God. But I hope that you feel great and really connected and grounded starting your day. And let me know if you guys have any other suggestions for any meditation videos or anything like that. I might not be a pro, but I do practice this daily, and it's really made a positive effect on my life, and I hope that I can do the same for you. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notifications bell so you can be notified every time that I post a new video. And definitely let me know what you guys think in the comments. All right, have a great day.